Today's goal is to get DroidCam installed onto this old tablet so I can use it for my podcasting instead of using my cell phone. What we're going to do is go ahead and go to the App Store, and then we're going to just go ahead and install the DroidCam app. And while that's going ahead and installing there, we're going to go ahead and do the same thing on our computer. We're going to have to go ahead and download the DroidCam OBS app. So you just go down here and you scroll all the way down to the bottom here and you click on this link and go ahead and download that. Launch the installer here and then go ahead and go through that. And once that's done, this should have gone ahead and finished installing, so we can go ahead and open this up, and this will get us to our DroidCam screen. From there, we can just go ahead and launch our OBS. We're going to go ahead and go in here and we're going to add a new scene. And if you come in here, you're going to go ahead and see that we have a DroidCam OBS. We're just going to name it DroidCam OBS for now. Alright, now that we've got the OBS installed on the computer and we've got OBS installed on the tablet, we just need to go ahead and click through in the menus until we get to this screen here, which has our IP address on it and the port number we need to use. And then we're going to go ahead and enter that information into our OBS. And then we're going to click on the activate button, and there we go. And here is our preview of what's going to be appearing on the screen.